In this tutorial, we will create an image cash receipt upload promotion. This simple sponsorship offer works well in many scenarios, but is particularly useful for businesses that do not have direct contact with their customers. For example, a pasta brand that is sold in a supermarket. Your customers can purchase your products from the third party, upload their receipt for your approval, and send money to their sports club. So let's get started. Hover over Promotions in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Image Cash Receipt Upload. Give your promotion a title. This is what the fan will see in the mobile and web app. Provide a short description. In a long description, we suggest providing users with as much detail as possible. What products should users purchase? Which retailers will you accept receipts from? Instructions for taking a picture of the receipt, like what elements should be included in the photo. For example, name of the retailer, date of purchase, branch number. You will need to manually approve each receipt, so it's also a good idea to give them an approximate time frame for approval, and any other information that might be important. Select who this promotion is relevant for. Decide who can redeem this promotion. And enable users receive funds for their community. You will determine the amount for the club on a case-by-case basis, as that will depend on how many products a user purchases. And enable Use OCR. This is the most important step. Here you will enter the words that need to be on the receipt. In the Words Mandatory field, enter the words that must be on the receipt. If all words in this field are not present in that order, the receipt will be automatically rejected. And you cannot separate words with a comma in this field. In the Words Optional field, there is more flexibility. So if the receipt includes some of these words, it will not be automatically rejected. In the Words Exclusion field, you can add words that will automatically reject the receipt. So in this example, I am selling one product, a pizza kit, from one retailer, Kaufland. So I will put the name of the product in the Words Mandatory field, but because the name of the product will not appear together with the name of the retailer on the receipt, I will put the name of the retailer in the Words Optional field. Additionally, if I was selling from more than one retailer or more than one product, I would put all the names in the Words Optional field. If you are unsure how any product or retailer will appear on the receipt, put it in Words Optional so the receipt is not automatically rejected and you can manually review it. Upload an image. This will appear with the title in the mobile and web app to get the user's attention, so make sure it's a high-quality image. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the promotion will be active for. Click Save, and you have created your receipt upload. Now let's run through how it works from here. The user will see your promotion in the app, and the next time they go to the store, they will purchase one of your products. All they have to do is upload an image as per your instructions and select their favorite sports club. If their receipt doesn't include the mandatory words, it will be immediately rejected. If it has the right words, it will go to the upload management system and wait for your approval. As an administrator, you will receive an email notification that you need to approve the receipt 20 to 60 minutes after the upload. In the promotion overview in the dashboard, click on Promotion Settings and select Uploads Management, or select the promotion and click Uploads Management. Here you will see all uploads waiting for your approval. Simply click on the image, and you can see the user information, You can review the receipt and see how many items were purchased, accept or reject the receipt. If you accept, you can adjust how much money you will give to their sports club depending on how many items purchased. Click Save and move on to the next receipt. If you reject a receipt, you can let the user know why it was rejected. And send them a personalized message. Now let's head back to the app to see what it looks like for users. When their receipt has been approved or rejected, users receive email and push notifications. In the MyFavorito Notification Center, they can see why a receipt was rejected, and when a receipt is approved and the money has gone to their favorite sports club.